Now please say hi nicely.
Hi.
Hi. What are we doing today?
An unboxing.
Of what?
Oh, okay, there we go.
Alright, so I cut the box, but I have not looked inside. There is the box. Here is the card, and it is Wild Magic. Okay. No.
I wasn't gonna put it in.
Alright, go ahead, dig in.
Alright. We have some Owl Crate Jr. guide to tie a knot. So let's open it.
We also have the pin for this month. I've got little things stuck to me. The pin is a little campfire. And then we have a magnet to the woods.
Okay. So I don't know if this is the book.
It's not.
Okay. What is it?
It's a book. It's not the book.
Alright, here's a book that came in. It's called The Yeti Files meets
Files.
The Yeti Files meets the Big Feet.
Really? Can you not read? The Yeti Files. Meet the Big Feet.
That's what she said.
He's downstairs, by the way. What?
Ooh, it looks like a pillowcase. No, it's not. Look, it's a bandana. With a frog, a campfire, an animal, Bigfoot, another animal, and another animal.
And this is the book for the month. It's called Arlo Finch and the Valley of Fire. It says some trails lead to magic, some to danger. I have no clue at all what this is about. But it comes with a little notebook. It comes with the signed bookplate, the letter from the author, and then here is the book. The back says, as Arlo looked around, the wall of his room began to vanish, revealing a moonlit forest. Only his bed remained and the frame of the window, through which he saw the girl. The world on her side of the glass was sparkling with silver and red and gold, like a palace made of autumn leaves.
That's what the book said.
And then, next month is Make a Wish, or I Wish, or...
Happy birthday to you.
Just close your eyes and make a wish this March. It might just come true. Next month's book is a captivating story from a much-loved middle grade author, all about what happens to the wishes made by people all over the world. This modern fairy tale is perfect for fans of Jump, Jinx, and Ella Enchanted. You know, I actually have an idea of what this book is because of the picture. All right, so that is it. You have issues. You're okay with that? All right.